This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the JDfn Market Wrap. This is the Market Wrap. It's Monday. I'm Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Well, according to the Lundberg survey, the average price of a gallon of regular gasoline at self-serve stations was $3.85 on Friday. That's down almost 15 cents from 2 weeks ago. Treasury Secretary Paulson taking a slow approach when it comes to the possibility of a second round of economic aid for the population. Paulson says that the $168 billion program of tax rebate checks that President Bush signed into law back in February, that was the right size to help the struggling economy this year. A second stimulus package is the idea of congressional Democrats. The Fed reported that the U.S. economy was squeezed further by the credit crunch in the past 3 months, and most banks expect to keep a lid on credit for the next year at least. A record percentage of banks were making it more difficult for borrowers in 3 months ending in July. Majority of banks tightened their rules for granting loans to businesses as well as consumers. Waste Management's raised its unsolicited takeover bid for rival Republic by about 9% to $6.7 billion in an attempt to try to prevent Republic's agreement to obtain Allied Waste Industries. Pilots at Delta Airlines and Northwest Airlines being encouraged by their unions to approve a joint collective bargaining agreement. Meantime, Verizon Communications and two of its unions, which represent 65,000 workers who had threatened to strike, have agreed on a new 3-year contract that provides 10.5% in wage increases as well as other changes in retirement benefits. Some of the scheduled economic reports coming out on Tuesday include the retail chain index as well as the June trade balance report. In earnings news today, Cisco Corporation, that's the food Cisco, said that net income rose to $334 million or 55 cents a share. Analysts expected 52 cents. Calpine earning $197 million or 41 cents. Analysts expected a profit of 10 cents. And Ag Feed Industries, that's a Chinese animal feed maker and pork producer, reported its second quarter profit increase due in part to strong sales of premixed animal feed. For the quarter, net income rose to $3.9 million or 12 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 17 cents. Earnings on Tuesday, it's going to be a fairly slow day. Tower Semiconductor, Fossil, NVIDIA, Bob Evans Farms, UBS, Weir Group, and Thomson Reuters Corporation. Some of the stocks in the news today. Apple trading higher after it was announced that the company has sold its 3 millionth iPhone just 1 month after its debut. Clear Channel Outdoor Holdings said the second quarter earnings rose to $83 million or 23 cents a share. And Bank United Financial, that's Florida's largest bank, posted a quarterly loss after setting aside more money to cover defaulting loans. Its provision for loan losses rose to $130 million from $4.5 million. That is the Market Wrap on this Monday. I'm Jack Lott, and this is the James Dix Financial Network.